Hey everyone. Today we'll be dealing with this problem. It's a very good problem, increasing triplet subsequence. Basically, in this problem, we have to find three elements. The third element should be greater than the second element, and the second element should be strictly greater than the first element. That is our problem. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2 is greater than 1, and 3 is greater than 2. So we are getting this result. So we will return true. Similarly, in 215046, we are getting 1 5 and then 6 here, or we are getting 046 here. They are strictly increasing. 156 is strictly increasing, and 046 it is also strictly increasing, right? So, first intuition is brute force, which will be like taking three loops. The third loop element should be strictly greater than the second loop element, and the second loop element should be strictly greater than the first loop element, right? So that can be the solution, but it will take a lot of time and cube. We are going to solve it in O(n) time complexity and O(1) space complexity. We are just going to take two variables, and our logic will be very simple. Like we take 215046 as the uh, uh, we'll take two variables versus min, and the second is s min, right? So basically, min will be the smallest element. The second s min will be the second smallest element, right? So s min should be greater than min, and if we get the third variable which is greater than s min, then that will be the answer. Then we'll stop there, and it will return true. Like here, it will be the min, as until here it's the smallest, and one is smaller than 2, one is smaller than min, to be honest. So here we'll change the min to s we'll change the min from 2 to 1. We'll move to 5. It is the second smallest, as it is greater than min and it is after min, so we'll change it to s min. When we come to 0, then what will happen is 0 is smaller than the initial min, right? Our initial min is 1, so we are gonna change the min to from 1 to 0. Now you will be thinking that s min is before min. It should not be correct, but that is also correct. I'll tell you why. Because s min is 5, right? So anything greater than 5, which is 6 here, that can be also the answer, because 156. So anything greater than s min at present will be the answer, right? So 156 can also be the answer. If 0 and 4 were not there, instead of 0499 or something greater than the initial min, which is 1, they were there, then naturally 156 would have been the answer. S min would have been here, and 6 at 6 it would have returned true, right? But if 0 is here, we'll change it to min, and if any number like 4 is here, it comes, which is smaller than s min, right? Then we'll change it to s min. So s min basically changes one in two cases, right? Case number one is when the min has changed previously, just now, right? So min has changed, and then s min should be greater than the present min, and it should be lesser than the initial s min, right? So that is why we have changed to s min to 4. So now if 6 comes, then it is greater than the s min, then that will be the answer. There is only one condition to be the answer, then it should be greater than s min, then that will naturally be the answer. So 046 is the element which will be the answer, right? If instead of 04 something greater than the initial min over there, like 99, then 156 would have been the answer. Since 6 would have been greater than s min, s min would have been 5 only, it would not have been changed to 4. So 156 would have been the answer. Since it has changed, since 0 is here, and we have also got 4 here, which can be the s min, as it is lesser than 5. So min changes to 0, s min changes to 4, and then 6 also comes, which is greater than s min, and that is the answer. So for answer, again, it should be, the next element should be just greater than s min, then that will be the answer. It will return true. Let's go to the code. We will initialize then we will initialize this also with the same, right? Because for finding the min, sorry, not max, it should be s min. For finding any min value, we have to assign it to integer dot max value, regular. So we'll scan the whole value. So it should be the n is left to, else if n then s min. All right. One thing to note here is we will take n less than min. Sorry, we'll not take n less than min. We'll take n less than equal to min. We'll take n less than equal to s min. The reason is that if any element comes here, like 1 is assigned to min earlier, then again any 1 comes, then it should not be, s min, right? Because s min cannot be equal to min. S min has to be greater than min, and therefore it will be min only. It will change to min only, right? If any number comes which is greater than 1, then that will be s min, right? So that is why we'll have less than equal to. If it is less than equal to, so it is equal to here, so it will change to min. So min was earlier this element, now it will change, the min will change here to this one. Otherwise, if we had not changed this, then it would have become s min, which is wrong, right? So just a simple approach. We'll run this. It's getting accepted. We'll submit this code. It's running, right? So 100% time complexity it's beating. So yeah, time complexity is here on, because only one, the whole worst case scenario, the whole loop will be traversed, and the space complexity is o1 because only two variables we are taking. So that's all regarding this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and please comment down if you have any doubt or any better approach you have. Thank you once again. Bye.